Go Nireke Ibadan, and you will be glad you did. Pensioners FM, the voice of liberation. The voice of liberation.
Yes, so my name is Toyin Babatope Adegbola JP, the one and only international shareholder that has NAFDAC number. Another one is a counterfeit. Yeah, I want to employ all my fans, both home and abroad, to listen and always listen and tune to Pensioners 106.7 FM, Agbarigo area, Onireke, Ibadan. Please don't turn off, leave it there. Listen to programs on Pensioners FM 106.7 Agbarigo area, Onireke, Ibadan, or your state.
Orúkọ tèmi ni ajínrere obìnrin Yétúndé aya Ògúnṣọlá. Pensioners FM láwa yìí o 106.7 ní Onírèké. Mo wá rọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ará ilé ní gbogbo Ọ̀yọ́ state nílùú Ìbàdàn. Pàápàá ní agbègbè tèmi wà láti Àpáta títí lọ sí Ọmí Àdìó lọ sí Bàkátàrì. Ẹ máa bá wa gbọ́ Pensioners FM. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé àwọn bàbá, àwọn màmá, àwọn ni wọ́n ní. Lágbára Ọlọ́run yín náà dàgbà o. Ẹ jẹ́ṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ àwọn bàbá wa ni wọ́n ń jẹ. Torí náà ẹ máa bá wa gbọ́ dáadáa. Gbogbo ètò tó dùn tó kọ́ni lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó ṣe ni láǹfààní gbogbo ẹ̀rẹ́ máa gbọ́ lórí ẹ̀. Pensioners FM ni o 106.7.
It's your name. Wonderful is what you are to me. It's you I see in my dreams every day, and I pray for you, Queen of my life. You are so beautiful, Mama. You're beautiful. Emi wa mama kan. Talori yeah. Mama mi o roju ri.
Yes, you're still on to Pensioners 106.7 FM. Up next is Yami Tori with Idris Abiola and Femi Shitu. Stay with us.
Yes, so good morning, my country people. You know, see anytime we hear that instrumental, we don't land again for not domot. We don't carry Yami Tori come today. You know, say now so we they do them every weekend for Pensioners FM 106.7. We don't ready to they give you know hot as they come. No be only me day. I get my strike partner. I know say I talking for last week. Say now me and my strike partner go gather day today. But sharply, before I introduce my strike partner, that's it. Oh yeah, you said introduce yourself before I continue.
I think say you want to pass yourself this morning. I just keep quiet. Okay, country people, now welcome to the show this morning. This one a newspaper review where you know sabi already. And for pidgin language we dey talk na Yan make to read newspaper review where we dey talk for pidgin na English version that they call a newsreel.
No be like
Abiola Odele and host of others. Okay, my name is Idris Abiola, and we don't dey ready, we don't stand gidigba to dey give you as they go this morning. Femi, make we start from your side.
Idris, before we enter the newspaper fully, you get some news where I carry for hand. Get to it. Make a sharply read down before we go begin. Read out the headlines. Now this one onto the Nation Builder Stroke Award matter. So it talk and say the Nation Builders International don't select Pensioners 106.7 FM with the Agbarigo Nireke Ibadan on top the prestigious Media Excellence Award for Inside Radio Reporting. They say the event now in the schedule say go hold today. We go share for Global Peace Hall, Shafauddin International Headquarters with Dewakajai for Iwo Road, Ibadan. On top the selection matter, so they say according to the Nation Builders International, say it is sequel to the station's contribution onto national development and balanced, adequate reportage on top labor and pensioners matter. So it never finish show as them still they steady bond public issues. They appreciate the station's cooperation and support as them they promote all the programs them plus activities of Shafauddin inside Islam. They can continue and say, no forget, so you go remember, say Pensioners FM, now been kickstart full transmission for Friday, will be 27th of September 2019, will be say it just won't reach 4 months. So the next story we want to read there, now they talk about Pa Ogunkolade burial. They talk and say the remains of Pa Taiwo Ogunkolade, now them don't lay to rest for Ijebu-Ijesha Hall, Ijebu-Ijesha with the Ogun State. He say Pastor Femi Emmanuel, when he talking for his sermon, he urge everyone say make them hold fast to waiting that they profess. Plus say make that they make sure say then they live rightly. So because say waiting, now everybody go one day give account of how in take live in life for head. They say Deacon Taiwo Ogunkolade, now they survived by 7 children. So we follow include the Senior Assistant General Secretary of the Nigerian Union of Pensioners, we did the national headquarters, we sit down for Abuja, where her name be Comrade Bumi Ogunkolade, plus many grandchildren join body with great grandchildren them. So that one take go. Idris, we sharply go drink water. So as it be our tradition for a year, when we come back, but they give him the headlines as we do. What do you feel?
Na so. Sharply.
Welcome back, we country people. As we talk on the other time, we don't dey ready to dey give now the headlines as they hot. And me waiting I carry for here na Saturday Punch. Idris, what you carry for one so?
Na Saturday Tribune in my hand this morning.
Make it for no loss. May we sharply they roll out the headlines. The first one where I get for here now in the talk say now this one sit down on top Operation Amotekun matter. So it say no support criminals where they terrorize Southwest to na ex-governors them now in the one federal government. So that one day page 37 for Saturday Punch.
Now on top that level, myself go start this morning. That one wait ticky pass for here on top Saturday Tribune. The front page now in the right and they say ex-generals, other retired officers them, all of them don't back Amotekun. Even George Oyinlola, Togun, others don't talk for Oyo, Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, Legion chairman them ask federal government to support Southwest initiative. Amotekun go fight all criminals. Now Afenifere they talk like that. With the monitor security situation, now service chiefs they talk like that. All of these stories then they for inside page 5 and page 6 for Saturday Tribune.
Quickly, I carry on for there. The next headline where I get for here 9 they talk say APC 9 the mode bricks of pressure on top Supreme Court head as it be say they want reclaim Sokoto and other states back. And at the PDP they declare this one, so that one they pay 12 for Saturday Punch.
Federal government plus state debt don't rise to 26 trillion naira for inside the year 2019. Now debt management office they talk like that, and they for inside page 8 for Saturday Tribune.
Quickly make for no loss. The next one where I get for here now they talk say no shaking, no problem at all if power shift enter southeast for 2023. Now go on they talk this one, so it dey page 11 for Saturday Punch.
Buhari don't promise to transfer free and fair election to successor. It dey for inside page 9 for Saturday Tribune.
Better to read them where we get for here. Idris, that next headline where I be one read. Now in the page 17 for Saturday Punch. But
okay,
before I continue here, make we go on a break, make everything for take gel.
Okay, quickly, make I take this next one. We talk say fresh controversy. They follow the whereabouts of one Ondo boy where they missing. This one is day for inside page 7 for Saturday Tribune.
The one where I get for here, next one where I get for here, now they talk about Malabu oil probe. They say I better go. It gets something where I want to talk. I get ulcer, glaucoma, constantly get hypertension, joint body, only me. No be me get all this load, no be me they talk am. Now Adoke they tell court this one, so it is page 46 for Saturday Punch.
Okay, make I run, come back home for Oyo State for Ibadan here. Then talk say on top Ibadan school demolition, Oyo government go investigate, prosecute offenders. It dey for page 7 for Saturday Tribune.
The next one where I get for here now they talk say platoon nurses now in they join and demand job for one of their colleague where Boko Haram just released. And that one they page 7 for Saturday Punch.
Illegal dismissal. Court don't order reinstatement of army officers. It dey for page 9 for Saturday Tribune.
As we say time no they wait to us make I read this one where they talk say lie it no dey possible. We no get room for cultism for Babcock, and the deputy vice chancellor they talk this one, so it dey page 7 for Saturday Punch.
We dey ready to help reposition industry wey Naija don build already. Na new Ibadan Nigeria Society of Engineer chairman na they talk like that. It dey for page 9 for Saturday Tribune.
Idris, this one go funny you well. Now this next one we I get for here now they talk say boy we be 10. Now he don't give one 13-year-old girl beleo. That one day page 43 for Saturday Punch.
This one they come from inside page 9 for Saturday Tribune. So now talk say on top Senate rerun INEC don't reject new candidate wait day to replace Akpabio. You go find them for inside page 9 for Saturday Tribune.
The next one where I get for here now they talk say 55-year-old man. Now they report say he don't die for one Delta hotel after waiting after we say Ingo get sexual intercourse with another woman. That one day page 40 for Saturday Punch.
Senator Balogun don disburse loan to 200 traders. It dey for inside page 9 for Saturday Tribune.
The last one we I get for here Idris for our time. Now they talk say motorcyclist rider. Now they don't report say them kilo as LASMA official driver. Now they struggle with steering with their Gojama. That one they page 34 for Saturday Punch.
Okay, the last one where I go pick for here. Now talk say Yoruba said they no get reason to dey poor if they get good leadership. Now one person they talk on this morning. Now when we get to the detail where now I go fit tell you the person we talk about the Torisha e dey for inside page 9 for Saturday Tribune.
Idris, I say I go be make I begin to roll out the full details story because our time no dey. Time don dey against us, me with the sharply the reader must be. I go start from here with the first headline we have been read. We talk say, now this one sit down on top Operation Amotekun matter. So say no support criminals where they terrorize Southwest. Now ex-governors them they want federal government. So that one dey page 37 for Saturday Punch. Make I enter the Tory. He say the Tory talk am say he get number of ex-Southwest governor wey then throw away their weight on top Operation Amotekun. We then declare say the new security outfit now it be the answer to the complaints of the people where dey the region. So according to them, so they say now many lives don't go as killings, robberies plus other criminal activities for the zone be the order of the day. Them say now this one they come as pressure being continue to mount on top Southwest governors them make them for jettison the regional security initiative. So as it be say federal government declare and say the outfit with them create so it dey illegal. Then talk am say after many killings and kidnappings where them alleged for the Fulani herdsmen head last year. Now in the Southwest governors for one summit where they convened through the development agenda for Western Nigeria for June as them agreed to set up Operation Amotekun. Say now for January 9, the governors been inaugurate the outfit where be say it consists of members where they the Oodua People's Congress, Agbekoya Vigilante Group plus hunters too on top that level. They talk am say top personality will be Professor Wole Soyinka plus them other groups wey include Ohanaeze Indigbo, the Yoruba Socio-Political Organization Afenifere, the Southern Kaduna People's Union. Now he gather throwaway salute for the governors them as them set up this outfit. So the Tory continue say the Attorney General of the Federation so wey im name be Abubakar Malami. For Tuesday, now talk am say this outfit wey dem create so say e dey illegal. Say make them find somewhere go sit down. Say now only federal government fit provide adequate security. If you want to see as the Tory end, TRS enter page 3 for Saturday Punch. They wait you like food.
Okay, the first story where I go pick for here, as if say you don't pick the Amotekun Tory, so make I sharply pick am two. It talks say ex-generals, other retired officers back Amotekun. George Oyinlola Togun others talked of Oyo Osun Ekiti Ondo Legion chairman them ask federal government to support Southwest initiative. Amotekun go fight all criminals. Na Afenifere they talk like that. And then with the monitor security situation, na service chiefs they talk like all of this story. We go fit find out for inside page 5 and 6 for Saturday Tribune. Sharply make I give una the details. They talk say key retired military officers for the Southwest for Friday. Now then throw them weight behind the region security network Amotekun as then declare say na reaction to the worsening insecurity with the shell for Southwest. Then talk say Chief Olabode George will be retired Navy Commodore Prince Olagunsoye Oyinlola na retired Brigadier General Kunle Togun we don't retire, as well as chairman for retired officers and men of the armed forces under the aegis of the Nigerian Legion in 6 of the 4 states for Southwest. Now in the Saturday Tribune for Friday say then they for Operation Amotekun. The contact say a number of other retired senior military officers maybe say they also talk give Saturday Tribune for Friday. Now then declare them support for Operation Amotekun, but they no want to talk them in the complete anonymity. Say for now, make I quickly go through page 6 where the service chiefs them they talk say we go deal with all threats. They meet Buhari come warn against unapproved security methods. Withdraw declaration against Amotekun. Now Yoruba youth they tell federal government like that. Amotekun go fight all criminals for Yoruba land. Na Afenifere talk like they talk say against the background for the federal government decision to declare Southwest security outfit wey they call Amotekun illegal. President Muhammadu Buhari don't meet with service chief for Friday. At the end where they come talk say they go deal with threats and keep the security of the country. intact well. They talk say the chief of air staff, Air Marshal Sadiq Abubakar, now he come brief State House correspondent on the outcome of the meeting wey dem do yesterday. So as he call on Nigerians to support the security forces rather than say make dem do anything wey go negate the approved community policing. In talk say the meeting and I then call say they want evaluate what the armed forces as well as other security intelligence agency say then they do to ensure say the territorial integrity of the country no dey undermined by any individual or group. Service chiefs, we go deal with all threats as they meet Buhari, warn against unapproved security methods, withdraw declaration against Amotekun na Yoruba youth. They tell federal government like that. Amotekun go fight all criminals for Yoruba land. Na Afenifere they talk. The story plenty well for inside page 5 and 6. But because of our time, we no go fit go down like that. So if you want check them, just run go page 5 and 6 for Saturday Tribune.
Make I read this next headline carry on for there where they talk say APC 9 the mold bricks of pressure on top Supreme Court head as it be say dem wan reclaim Sokoto and other states back. Now the PDP they declare this one so it dey page 12 for Saturday Punch. For the Tory inside, it talk am say the People's Democratic Party now he don't make claim say the presidency plus all Progressive Congress full. Now in the mount pressure on top Supreme Court made them for take sack Sokoto, Bauchi, Adamawa and Benue State governor them. Said the Apex Court now in they scheduled to rule on top the APC's appeal where they before them where they challenge the victories where them PDP gets for March 9, 2019 governorship polls which shell for the 4 states. So them say why be say APC been the control for Bauchi and Adamawa during the election. So Aminu Tambuwa where they from Sokoto, John Bode with Samuel Otom where they for Benue. Say now follow backdoor comot APC through controversial circumstances. They say they can't use that one. Take join the PDP before them begin the polls them. They say for the matter so, say the PDP now he don't cry say that don't do them Ojoro for Tuesday. Where the Supreme Court unanimous ruling stamp foot as them sack Poshukomot Emeka Ihedioha as the Imo State governor. We be say they can't declare APC's Hope Uzodinma as the rightful winner of the March 9 governorship election which shell for the state. They say for the 87th PDP National Executive Council meeting we then do for Abuja on Friday so the national chairman of the party where in name be Uche Secondus. Now he described the verdict say where the Apex Court give say now miscarriage of justice. Secondus where they restate in condemnation of the November 16, 2019 Bayelsa and Kogi governorship elections. Now he accused the All Progressive Congress plus the federal government. Say wetin? Say them they undermine democracy for the country. And if you want to see the story full inside, run like thief with them pursue enter page 12 for Saturday Punch.
Thank you, Oluwafemi Shitu, for that one where you don't land. So, make I pick this second story as I go talk. Say, federal government state debt don't rise to 26 trillion naira for inside the year 2019. Now, Debt Management Office (DMO) now they talk like that. They talk say the Debt Management Office (DMO) don't talk and say as of September 2019, the federal government, state and the Federal Capital Territory FCT debt profile don't stand at 26.215 trillion naira. The Debt Management Office come further talk and say the comparative figure for June 2019 say it dey for 25.701 trillion naira, wey mean say that in the quarter July to September 2019, the total public debt don't grow by 2.0%. The Director General of DMO, that is the Debt Management Office, Ms. Patience Oniha, Dr. can say the ratio of domestic debt to external debt say it dey at 69:31, which dey about the same as at June 2019 of 68:32, as it dey compared to the target of 60:40 for the medium-term debt strategy. They talk say this one I dey for inside one statement where the DMO issue for inside a press conference where they do for Abuja for Friday. Federal government plus state debt don't rise to 26 trillion naira for inside the year 2019. Now, Debt Management Office, they talk like that. And it there for inside page 8 for Saturday Tribune.
Thank you. Make I carry am for there. This one I dey talk say no shaking, no problem at all. If power shift enter southeast for 2023, no be me dey talk that one. Now go on dey talk this one. So e dey page 11 for Saturday Punch. E talk am for the Tori inside. Say one former head of state, wey im name be General Yakubu Gowon, wey lead the Niger side during the Nigerian Civil War wey happen between 1969 to 1970. Now he don talk say e no get any wahala if power shift enter southeast for 2023. E dey share im own opinion. Say e no mind at all as far be say that kind move enhance peace, make peace for dey the country. Go on, na him be yarn this one for one special interview wey he grant to the Hausa service of the British Broadcasting Service wey dey in commemoration of the 50th anniversary until the end of the war for Wednesday. As in, they respond to one question wey concern agitation by the Southeasterners, say Igbo sef suppose fit produce nation's president now. He say come 2023, and say na so he talk am o, say if e go promote and ensure say peace go dey, say make dem do am if na wetin the people want be that. E come still add am say e bin get one time wey the PDP start rotational presidency, say if for say dem continue am that way, e possible say the Igbo sef go don produce president o, but say that one no happen. E come still continue am say if dem no fit do that one now, say e no get problem with that one o, say anybody fit govern. We get many people for Naija, so say anybody fit govern for that one. If God talk am say e go be anybody, wey God choose anybody, and dem fit govern with the fear of God and love for Naija people dem. They say the place where we desire, say we wan reach, so we go reach am sharply. The Tori boku wella, e dey hot. You sef fit go carry your bite for page 11 for Saturday Punch.
Okay, make I quickly bring this one. As this one, they talk and say Buhari don promise to transfer free fair election to successor. E dey for inside page 8 for Saturday Tribune. They talk say President Muhammadu Buhari don affirm and say as him be beneficiary of a free and fair election for the country, he go transfer the same to anybody wey go succeed am for the nation for 2023. According to one statement wey be say na in spokesman Garba Shehu na him issue am for Abuja for Friday. The president wey talk am for dinner wey him do with members of the legal team for the 2019 presidential election petition for Thursday night for Abuja. Na him recall say people for all across the country na him dem receive am very well when they do in electioneering campaign all over the country. We can indicate and say in election no be fluke. The statement na him quote President Muhammadu Buhari as he talk say the number of people wey turn out across the state, across the country, say e dey pass the one wey anybody fit use money buy or force. Now this one can't give me so much confidence. Say the election where I get, say the vote na the one wey I deserve. He can talk and say this na why I insist. Say the election, say it must be free and fair because myself, na me I benefit from a free and fair election. The president now he can tell the legal team say he don't they already look forward to one peaceful handover for 2023. As in the stress and say he dey morally bound to fulfill that one where he don't wish. So Buhari don't promise to transfer free fair election to successor. He dey for inside page 8 for Saturday Tribune.
Idris, as you've been dey read, you know they say the phone lines them been they blink, even though say we never call the lines them.
I dey see am. No be say I know the same, but I just dey wait to make we reach that level. Say we go call people for house, say make them they begin call us, chook mouth for any of the story where we don't read am. So, but sharply make I roll am out so that as you dey read they go, people go they try am. Okay, country people with the house. This one as we dey so now, now 7:30 we don't dey already. So time don't reach. Make una begin roll out call. Maybe begin call us. The studio line where I go call to reach us this morning. Na 08080101067, 08080101067 or 09081111067. That any of the number where I don't roll out so. And for here, Pensioners FM, Yan Mitori, and now you go enter. So, okay, quickly, Femi.
Make I carry as we say, we dey wait our country people make their call. I'll continue with the story where I get for hand where they talk about Malabu oil probe. Now this one they talk say, I beg go, it get something where I want talk. I get ulcer, glaucoma, constantly get hypertension, only me. No be me get all this load, no be me they talk now. Adoke they talk court this one. So that one dey page 46 for Saturday Punch. They talk am for the Tory inside say the immediate past Attorney General of the Federation join body with the Minister of Justice wey im name be Mr. Mohammed Adoke. And I don't talk say dem gatz release am from detention as he go fit enable am attend to im own health matter. E dey please so as e be say im expiration order don dey near wey the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory for Abuja bin permit the Economic and Financial Crime Commission say make dem detain am for 14 days. So court can say the ex-AGF wey dem EFCC arrest as e be say im return from 4.5-year exile wey e bin don run since comot for the country for December 19, 2019. Na im dem carry am o. Na im dem investigate over im role for $1.1 billion oil scam. The commission for December 2019 now obtained the first order of the FCT High Court wey permit them to detain him for 14 days. The story full well. If you want to see us that one, you go see him. We don't get one call. Hello,
good morning.
Hey, you don't. If you want to see as that story say shell, if you want to stay hand, if you shook eye for page 46 for Saturday Punch, you go see am there.
Okay, quickly. Okay, the phone line on the blink again. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Yeah. Okay. Do well to call us back. The studio line at 080-8010-1067, 080-8010-1067, or 090-8111-1067. Dial any of the number where I don't roll out to now for here.
Let's we don't get another call.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, brother. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes. Waiting beyond the way you call from.
My name is Atabe from Adinago.
Oh,
Okay.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Good morning, everybody.
Fine, sir.
I want to talk on the issue of Mother Adoki. When they review, they feel okay by that time. When they pass in the next year, this story this amount because all they are losing our money. I don't even why they do by this not being moved. It's people to cost. That's our opinion.
Thank you so much for that, your contribution. We really appreciate that one. Okay, if you still want to reach us, make I roll them out once again at 080-8010-1067 or 090-8111-1067.
Be like say your mouth passed well.
Okay, make I continue with this one. Let us say on top Ibadan schools demolition, or your government go investigate and go prosecute offenders. As the right hand put for inside page 7 for Saturday Tribune, they talk say the government of Oyo State don't talk on Friday say in don't launch an investigation onto the circumstance wey surround the illegal demolition of classroom wey dey for 2 state-owned primary schools within Ibadan metropolis. Information don reach the government early for Thursday say the effect na say this e get some people or no individuals wey go for Egbeda and Onara local government area for the state to illegally enter the premises of 2 primary schools and demolish blocks of classroom. A statement by the chief press secretary to Governor Seyi Makinde, Mr. Taiwo Adesina, indicates say the governor say he don't promise to prosecute the perpetrators. The statement indicates say some individuals they unlawfully enter the premises of the community primary school Ayepe for Egbeda local government area and the Methodist primary school Gangoshi for Onara local government area where they demolish blocks of classroom without authorization. The government now described the act as illegal, untoward and totally condemnable. Adding say they'll say they no go sit down and watch saboteurs as then they go they destroy public properties for whatever reason. According to the statement, they say the individuals who destroy the classroom say they don't get approval from the State Universal Basic Education Board, we own the school in trust for the government and the people. On top Ibadan school demolition, or your government don't launch investigation and then go prosecute offender. It for inside page 7 for Saturday Tribune.
Before I been read out the next story where I carry for and make I roll out the phone numbers then again make I tell our country people say we still dey wait on a call if you want ship out for all the matters we don't they read. So if you call us on 0808 010 1067 0808 010 1067 or 0908 111 1067. I roll them again 0908 111 1067. The next headline we I get for here now they talk say platoon nurses now they don't join hand together. We say that they demand job for one of their colleague we Boko Haram just they release. That one they page 7 for Saturday Punch. It talking for the story say the National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives with the Plateau State chapter has appealed say they don't happy low say Governor Senior Lalong to employ one nurse we named Jennifer Samuel. We say they're just free from Boko Haram captivity. So the news agency of Nigeria now they report that one. So they say spokesman for the association so we name be Tuam Long argue. Now in tell now for Friday for just say the gesture now go help maybe say they go caution the psychological trauma with Samuel being experienced when he been de captivity. Now you consider the report and say the association now he don't appeal earlier to the governor say make them for lift employment embargo as they talk and say in go reduce abduction. We say them they abduct aid workers from the states them inside northeast. Argue na continue and talk and say we want make governor making using power to give somewhere so to give them automatic employment. So we say she go feel remain for home for just we be our hometown. So can say security challenges now in everywhere. Say you no fit escape them. You no fit compare the security challenges so the first play to that one with the shell for northeast. We won't make the governor make he listen to our plea so make he hasten lifting employment embargo. Make our youth for they employed. Maybe say they no go they work different kind of work them. We get high security risk. As then they seek job. Now, continue for the report. Say Samuel will be one aid worker with Alliance for International Medical Action. Now they abduct will be say they carry around come out alongside 4 others by Boko Haram terrorists for December 22, 2019 along Mongono Go Maiduguri Road. We say they can't release them for January 15. The story book where if you want to see as it finish, you go see that one for page 7 for Saturday Punch.
Okay, quickly because of our time, make I roll this one out. On top Senate rerun, INEC don't reject new candidate as Akpabio replacement. The talk say the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC don't reject the new candidate where the APC field to replace Senator Godswill Akpabio for the forthcoming rerun poll we go shele for SCN Udim local government area for Akwa Ibom State. We be say na APC na then pilot down one because na court say make them do rerun for there. INEC don already fix Saturday, January 25, 2020 for the rerun poll for Akwa Ibom Northwest Senatorial District after the appeal court don fail to affirm Dr. Chris Ekpeyong as the one willingly win the poll over Akpabio. Senator Akpabio, person wey be say in lose the first poll wey dem conduct for February 23, 2019 to Ekpeyong, na him don voluntarily withdraw from the contest as he explain say in ministerial appointment na him be the reason, and him can ask the APC to shop for another person wey go replace Sam. They can talk say over the weekend na him the APC for Akwa Ibom State na him they announced former House of Representative member for Abak Etim Ekpo Ika Federal Constituency Obongemem Ekperipe Ekpo as the person wey go substitute for Akpabio. But INEC for one it be like say we don't get caller, Femi. We don't get caller.
Another caller.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, John and Jackie. And then I'm talking from Mokola here.
You're welcome, sir.
I'm very happy. Yes, I'm very happy that it is good that we retired the general, former governors, and other Nigerians of good conscience as reciting the federal government declaration of Amotekun, security as illegal. You see, when people become silent, the government becomes oppressive. And silence in the face of evil is evil. Not to speak is to speak. We must begin to analyze and propose solutions or constructive criticism, not because it is politics, but because it is right. We must not allow party affiliations to blind our logical reason. Every onlooker is either a traitor or a coward. Nigeria should speak at the appropriate time.
All right.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Mr.
you.
John Njoku. We appreciate you for that, your wonderful contribution. Okay, as I talk, they go. I talk say now for over the weekend, the APC for Akwa Ibom State don't announce former House of Rep member for Abak Etim Ekpo Ika Federal Constituency, Obongemem Ekperikpe Ekpo, as the person with the substitute for Akpabio. But INEC, for a swift reaction to that effect, for Friday night, then declare the decision of the APC as dead upon arrival. As they explained, say the substitution of name, say he say they don't nullify him even before the APC then carry the name of person where they want to take substitute Akpabio come already said. The talk say he get one statement with then sign on behalf of the resident electoral commissioner, Mr. Mike Igini, by the commission head of department HOD in charge of voter education and verification. The talk say the Independent National Electoral Commission for Akwa Ibom State don't say the inquiry as to whether political party fit candidates in the upcoming court order rerun for SCN Udem local government area fixed for January 25, 2020. Say INEC don't talk say no. They no fee substitute person. Now people will contest for that February election. Nahin they fit contest for the rerun election. Say if you want substitute person this time around, say we no go agree for that one. On top Senate rerun, INEC don't reject new candidate for Akpabio replacement. In there for inside page 9 for Saturday Tribune.
Our time don't run come out.
Yes.
Idris, make I.
You think okay?
Make I roll out this one. This one they short.
You get 2 minutes.
Yeah, this one is short. Oh yeah. This one way they talk now. They talk say lie. It not possible. We no get room for courtesan for Babcock. Now the deputy vice chancellor they talk this one for page 7 for Saturday Punch. He talk for the story say the deputy vice chancellor for Babcock University with the Ogun State, Professor Sunday Owolabi. Now he talk say the institution gets zero tolerance for courtesan. Owolabi now he talk say courtesan now in the occur we be say students they know they properly engage. In con they insist it is impossible for a university to record any act of courtesan. Say this spokesman on Thursday during the first principal proprietors and stakeholder conference organized by Babcock University as is a day office for Port Harcourt for Rivers State. He talk and say courtesan no get chance for Babcock University, so say they no fit gree with the training where we they give our children, so they no fit think say they want join courtesan. Idris, as we say our time don't go, I no go fit read and finish, but no shaking our country people. If you want to say I don't want to take end, just run enter page 7 for Saturday Punch. You go see and there they wait gidigba.
Thank you. As you say, you just rush yourself. So. All right, country people. Now for here we go. They draw the curtain on today's edition of our show, newspaper review where they talk for pidgin language.
Yes,
we don't give you the headline. We don't give you the detail. We then write put for inside with country newspaper. Daily is for today. Now myself. Idris Abiola and Oluwafemi Shitu. Now we don't pilot their affairs. We want to thank everybody we call, Mr. John Ojoku and the first caller we get on top of the show. And everybody will join us on our various social media platforms. We want to appreciate Una. Even as CB say we never even open on this morning. We know say people go down there already. They go down stand say they want to see
them. Ahmed Olariwaju and Mohammed Ibrahim for here.
Okay. I never even all right. We want to say a very big thank you to everybody we don't join us, make the show they fantastic this morning. Okay, tomorrow we go do this again. So we want to say join us again tomorrow for another interesting edition of the show Yan Me Tori. From my side here, Idris Abiola, I say bye bye and enjoy your weekend.
My own name now Oluwafemi Shitu. We know they go anywhere. We come back tomorrow. Just remain for Pensioners FM 106.7. My people, no sleeping on top bicycle.
From the rising to the setting of the sun, here is the first labor radio in Africa. pensioners.
106.7 FM.
Agbarigo Nireke Ibadan. A station for the elderly, the youths, the teenagers, and in fact, our children. It is a station for all. So come patronize us on Pensioners
106.7 FM.
Ibadan. All corporate organizations, ministries, departments, and agencies of government, government parastatals and commissions, artisans, private companies, market men and women, professional civil servants, and other categories of workers. This is your station. Just visit the marketing department of Pensioners
106.7 FM.
Agbarigo Nireke Ibadan, and you will be glad you did. Pensioners FM, the voice of liberation. The voice of liberation.
Yes, you're still on to Pensioners 106.7 FM, and that was Yami Tori with Idris Abiola and Femi Shitu. Join them same time tomorrow for another interesting edition of that program. Yes, it's Pensioners 106.7 FM. Please do not touch that dial.
It's a new year, a new deal, a big profitable deal just for you. To drive your business, church, mosque, traditional festival, and that annual event. Courtesy, Pensioners 106.7 FM, government ministries, agencies, and parastatals, corporate organizations, entrepreneurs, traders, artisans, individuals, government at all levels. This is what I've been waiting for. Pensioners FM pocket-friendly advert bumper package. It's your best bet. Grab it now. Enjoy unparalleled, widest publicity. Sweet, delicious, and great taste. Ooh la la. Come and taste it. Visit Pensioners FM marketing department today at Oyo State Pensioners House, your popular African model at Agbarigo Onireke Ibadan. Call the marketing team on 08